Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at how to use decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and in this example we'll be using pancakeswap. So I have it on my history, but for the sake of this video I'm going to type it in. Now I'm connected on the Ethereum network and it's not going to work because pancakeswap is a BSC DEX. So I'm going to switch it to BSC now. So this is the home page. This is the home page of this DEX. So if we go to trade, this is where we can either swap one token for another or provide liquidity. Then on earn, you can use your liquidity to get more tokens in farms, and then in pools you would need to bring one coin. Liquidity pools usually require 2 coins, but in pools you can use just 1 coin to get more coins of either that same coin or another coin. Then in win, here this one is this trading competition, prediction and lottery are provided by these DEX. You might not find it on other DEXs. This is the NFT marketplace. You might not find it on other DEXs too. And then this last 3 dots on the right will show you the information, the documents, leaderboard. This basically if you are looking for other information apart from rewards and trading. Probably you are a new investor and you want to do your own fundamental analysis on this DEX. So you must have gas fees to use any DEX. Yes, you must have gas fees. For BSC, for Binance Smart Chain, you need BSC. So if you don't have any BSC, you need to swap your coins. You need to have some swap any coin you have to BSC and then send it to your wallet before you can use a DEX. Yes. If it's on Avalanche, you need AVAX. On Ethereum, you need Ether. Yes, that's how it is basically is. So supposing I wanted to swap my BSC for SafeMoon, right? We don't have BSC for SafeMoon. Now SafeMoon has a 10% tax. That's what was on the previous page that I ticked and said continue. It has a 10% tax. Now I'm going to have to change slippage, or rather increase slippage, to be able to swap it. So slippage has to be at least 12% for it to go through. It needs to be at least 12% for it to go through. So I've changed my slippage to 12%. If the sell tax is more, I might need higher slippage. So if I experience an error swapping shit coins, right? If there's an error swapping shit coins, there are 2 ways to go about it. You either increase slippage, like I said, or if you have, supposing you had plenty random digits at the end. You have plenty random digits at the end. All you need to do is just delete last 2 or last 3 digits and replace it with 0. And then once you swap, it should go through. I don't have enough gas fees for this transaction, that's why it's not going to go through, but that's basically how you can do it. So supposing you wanted to earn one token for another, you just go to earn, enter pools, right? Just take some tokens to earn high APR, low risk, syrup pools. So you see it here, stake cake NDPT, stake cake NCCAR. So you just take one token and then you get another one. But in liquidity pools, you need to have 2 tokens, and then you need to have the 2 in your wallet plus gas fees, and then you can now stake and then earn. So yeah, that's basically how to use a DEX. You can find out other things by just going on other DEXs, other networks, other blockchains. So the process should be related to this.